Welcome back, student. Today we are going to see the minimization of DFA, the next example of tabling filling method. Okay, so here the example I am taking this one. Okay, A, B, C, D, and E. Only one final state is here, and this is here, as you know, here is a sigma q, sigma is 0 comma 1, and this is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so this is state, final state, initial state. Okay, and all are there in this graph. So with the help of this method, we need to follow this method, steps. Okay, now go to here. So here the example, and I made it the table also, and this is a Myhill Nerode theorem or table filling method. This is we need to follow this step. First, make a table of all pair of state p comma q. So this is p and this is q. Okay, this is q. So empty state. Okay, initially unmarked, there is no tick, there is no mark in the cell. So here second step is very important. P belongs to F and Q belongs to F, means any one of the state should be, one is a final state and another one is normal state. Okay, there should not be a all final state and there should not be a normal state. So here let's check it out. A comma B is going, or A comma B we are checking, A and B we are checking. So B is a normal state and A is also a normal state. This both are not a final state, so you no need to mark. Okay, A to C is going, and this belongs to C, but C and A both are not a final state. Okay, any one should be a final state in both of them. So there is no final state. Okay, no tick. C of CB, the connection is there, belongs to, but B and C both are non-final state. So this is also not possible, we no need to mark. Okay, D, from D to A, these both are non-final state, so we cannot tick. D on B, okay, both are belongs to, but both are a normal state, Okay, next DC is there, does not belongs to DC, but both are non-final set, so we cannot make it any mark. Okay, go to E. A on E, okay, this does not belongs to A on E, but A is a normal state and E is a final state. Then we need to mark tick. Why we are marking tick? Because A comma E. So AE is in both of them, one is a final set and another one is a one is a final state and another one is a normal state. Then only it is a possible to mark in this tabling form as per this condition. We are marking. Next, E on B, there is a connection, as well as B is a non-final set and E is a final set, so this is also mark tick. E on C, E on C. E and C is belongs to, both are belongs to, when E on 1 is going to C. So here C and E, C is a normal set and E is a final state and C is a normal state. Okay, next, E on D. E on D is, there is no connection, like does not belongs, but E is final state and D is non-final state. So here also there is a tick. So first we finish this, P belongs to F or Q belongs to F or vice versa. We got this. Now we need to go to the step 3. In the step 3, repeat the step until we cannot mark any more state. So we need to follow this. So what is that? First, delta, okay, delta here, P comma A means here X or here X, P comma A or Q comma A. So whatever the empty, okay, whatever the empty boxes are there, that you need to write here. What are the empty boxes? A comma B, okay, next A comma C, next one B comma C, B comma C, and A comma D, A comma D, and B comma D, B comma D. Next one is C comma D, C comma D. So this is 6 are there, 6 pairs are there, that is empty in this table. Now we need to check with this method, okay, unmarked pair we need to take here and we need to solve. So here first, delta A comma 0, delta B comma 0, where it is going. I am taking this first one. I am taking this first one. A on 0, where it is going? A on 0. Okay, A on 0 is going to B, and B on 0 is going to B. Both are same set and that is not possible. Okay, fine. Next one is delta A comma 1. We have taken X string is 0, so now we are taking 1, and delta B comma 1. So here A comma 1, when A on 1 is going to C, A on 1 is going to C, and B comma 1, where it is going to D. CD is also a normal state, so that also not accept. Next one is delta, this one, A comma 0, delta C comma 0. What is A comma 0? When A on 0 is going to B, C on 0, where it is going to B only. Okay. Next, delta A comma 1, delta C comma 1. So here A comma 1, where it is going to C, and C comma 1, as per this, C comma 1 is going to C only. So this is also not needed. Okay. Next one is delta, this one you need to take, delta B comma 0, okay, delta C comma 0. What is B comma 0? When B comma 0 is B only, and C comma 0 is also B. So this also will not accept. Okay, delta B comma 1, and delta c comma 1. Where it is going b comma 1, b comma 1 is going to d, and c comma 1 is going to c. This both is also a same normal state CD. Because of that we are not taken. Okay, now I will take it in down. Okay, now here we need to see next one is delta. What is the next one now? AD. Okay, next one is AD. A comma 0 delta D comma 0. What is A comma 0? A comma 0 is going to B, and D comma 0 is going to B only. Okay, next delta A comma 1 delta D comma 1. Okay, when it is A comma 1 is going to C, when it is D comma 1 is going to E. So here C is a non-final state and E is a final state. E is a final state. So this is accepted. So where we need to mark the take, when we have taken A and D, at that time we got the CE, means here. So here we need to mark the tick AD. When we have taken AD, we got the CE, we got the final state as well as non-final state together. Okay, so this is accepted. Next one is BD. Next one is BD. B comma 0. Okay, B comma 0 and delta B and D. Yes, D comma 0. Here B comma 0, when it is B comma 0 is going to B only, when D comma 0 is going to B only. Fine. Next delta, same thing, string will be changed, B comma 1 delta D comma 1. Okay, so here B comma 1 where B comma 1 is going to D and D comma 1 is going to E. So here this is also accepted. Okay, this is also accepted. Why it is accepting BD? Because D is a non-final set and E is a final set. So this is also we got with the function. Next one, what is the last one? C comma D. C comma D. Delta C and delta D. D with 0, C with 0 and D with 0. So here C on 0, where it is going, C on 0 is going to be, and D on 0 is going to be only. Fine. Next, delta C comma 1 delta D comma 1. What is C comma 1? C comma 1 is C only as per the graph, and D comma 1 is E. D comma 1 is E. So this is also accepting because one is a final set and another one is a non-final set. So this is also accepted. This is also accepted. Okay, so this is a thing we got. So what are the remaining pairs are there in the table? A comma B, A comma C, and B comma C. These three are left. Okay, so here we need to write what are the empty. A comma B is, and A comma C, and another one is B comma C. These three empty pairs are there. So let's go and check what we need to do if we have the empty. Okay, this is pair is marked for some input. Now combine all the unmarked pair P comma Q and make them a single state in the reduced DFA. Now what are the unmarked pair? Unmarked pair case AB, AC and BC. So this should be combined. So how will you combine? We need to, like C, AB is like this. Okay, AB. Next, A comma C is like this. A comma C. Then B comma C. B comma C. So this is the remaining unpair within table, unmarked pair in the table. Okay, that we have marked in the graph. Sorry, here there is some mistake. Okay, what is the mistake means? Here the CD, can you see C and D? C is non-final state and D is a final state. So this is correct. This is accepting. Okay, this is accepting. That means what is this? When we have taken the BC, B and C, then we got the answer BC. Okay, next, here also we did like we got the CD. CD is nothing but one is a non-final state and another one is a final state. So this also will accept. So A comma B, when it is accepting, A comma B. Okay, A comma B is accepting. Okay, so here we got the table. Okay, A, B, C, D. So only one is unpair. As per this, combine all unmarked pair, only one is unmarked pair. Which one? A comma A comma C. A comma C is a unpair. So how can we draw this table for graph? First you need to combine A comma C and we need to take B, okay, and we need to take D, okay, we need to take D and we need to take E. E is a final state and this is a initial state. Now I will draw the line with the red pen. Here AC, okay, is a initial state. When A on 0, where it is going to B. A on 0 is going to B. Okay, next, A on 1 is going to C. A on 1 A on 1 is going to C. This is finished. Next, C on 0 is going to B, and C on 1 is going to C only. Okay. Next, B on 0, where it is going, B on 0 is going to B only. B on 0 is going to B only. Next, B on 1 is going to D. B on 1 is going to D. Next, D on 0, where it is going to B. D on 0 is going to B. Next, D on 1, where it is going, D on 1 is going to the final state, that is D on 1. Okay. Next, E on 0, where it is going, E on 0 is going to B. Next, E on 1, where it is going, E on 1 is going to C. E on 1 is going to C. So this is your minimization of DFA. This is another method. Once again I will repeat this. Okay, this is a graph. Based on this graph, we mark the tick. Can you see the blue tick? Blue tick means we got the result with the help of this graph. Okay, directly we got from this graph. So what is a condition? Condition is any. Why we have tick mark here? AE. Why we ticked here? Because E is a final state and A is a non-final state. It is belongs to or does not belongs to, but both are different. This is normal state and this is a final state. Because of that we mark the tick. Okay. In the same way, BE, B and E is a final state and B is a non-final state. So both are different. Because of that we mark the tick. Next one, E on C. Here also E is a final state and C is a non-final state. Because of that we mark the tick. And ED, E is a final state and B is a non-final state. Because of that we selected. Okay, we mark that. After marking, we need to go with the functional method. Okay, here delta A comma 0 on B, you need to take formula like A on 0, you need to see the graph and you need to get the value. A on 0 we are getting the value B. B on 0, what we are getting? We are getting the value B only. Here A on 1 is going to C and B on 1 is going to D. B on 1 is going to D. Okay. So here A and B is we were getting CD, but in the graph CD is not a initial state and the final state. But why I have taken here, that means when we are getting the CD here in the CD, can you see here C and D, this CD is marked. Because of that we marked here. So this will be in the next step. We need to do DC here. Here again we need to do A comma 0 and B comma 0. Here you will get B and here also you will get B. Okay. Next, delta A on 1 delta B on 1. So here we were getting C and here we are getting D. So when you are getting this CD, that is, you need to check CD, it is marked here CD. This is, yes, marked. Because of that, we are making AB also marked. Okay. Because of that, we are making AB is also marked. Okay. Next. The next, like same, after AB, we need to take CB, this BC or CB. Here also we were getting DC. So why we are doing again we need to go here and you need to delta B and C. Okay, you need to do, then you will get the value B, and here after that delta B comma 1 delta C comma 1. So what the answer we are getting here? Here also we are getting CD. Okay, sorry, we are getting DC. Okay, so this is also accepted. So because of that, CD is already ticked here, because of that also it is ticked here. Okay, so this is, we draw the table and see the remaining boxes, and if it is any possibility you can check, otherwise you need to go here, you make a unpair, like